it's Sharmel. Welcome back to another vlog. So basically summer is in like 2.5 weeks. Summer starts June 21st. So yeah, we got 2.5 weeks. Basically like 2 weeks ago I started this low carb diet because, you know, I would like to slim down a little bit. So, well, first of all, I'm 5'2", and my body type goes like, I don't really know how to even describe my body type because I'm not curvy at all and I'm not petite necessarily either. So my body shape is really like narrow, I guess you can say. So I'm just very straight up and down. Like, I'm not top heavy and I'm not bottom heavy. And I tend to hold weight like in my stomach and in my arms and in my face. So with that being said, I'm not my heaviest right now and I'm not my smallest. Like, I'm at a cool size, but I would like to drop about 10 more pounds. So yeah, I started a low carb diet last week. No, 2 weeks ago. For the most part, I exercise regularly. Like, I do go to the gym at least two to three times a week. I have weeks where I'm really good, and then I have weeks where I'm just like, I just don't go. But for the most part, I've been able to like maintain my size, and my eating is not terrible, but it's not the best either. Like, I'm just kind of in the middle ground when it comes to my weight, when it comes to my diet, and when it comes to exercise. So when I went out of town last month, the house phone is ringing. I be forgetting we even have a house phone, and I'm not answering it. Who even still calls house phones? But yeah, anyways, so when I went out of town, last month, like, I had completely fell off of everything. I didn't work out for like 2 weeks and I was eating terrible, like just eating my entire life away. And so, like I said, summer starts June 21st and it is June 5th. And your girl needs to lose. I'm behind. Essentially, I'm not eating any major carbs. So no bread, no rice, no potatoes, no pasta, no major carbs. I still eat like oatmeal and granola just because I work really early. I have to be at work at 6 o'clock in the morning. And so it's easy to buy like the old school Quaker Oats single packs of oatmeal, and I just toss it in my purse in the morning and I can be on my merry way to work. So yeah, I cut out major carbs and I'm only doing it Monday through Friday. On the weekends, I do allow myself to kind of venture out just because I'm not one of those people where I can like completely, I hate the term diet because I hate feeling like I'm depriving myself from something. I feel like we're all in this really health conscious time and everyone goes hard, and I'm sorry, I'm not eating grilled chicken, steamed broccoli, and sweet potatoes every day of my life. Like, I'm just not gonna do it. So I do allow like cheat days, and I don't pig out with the carbs on the weekends, but if I'm eating something and it has a carb in it, like, it's okay. The first week I dropped 4 pounds. The following week, which was Memorial Day weekend, and I went out for Nikki's birthday, I kind of fell off. So I had carbs that weekend, and then it was all my fault. Like, I just did not go to the grocery store and plan my meals out for the week, so I was just kind of like not eating right throughout the week. So now we're in week 3 and I'm trying to get back on track. So I normally have coffee before I leave the house in the morning, and then for actual breakfast I'll eat like oatmeal, some fruit, and I'll drink like some water, or I'll have tea. Then I'll have like a snack where I eat this week I'm eating banana chips. For lunch, I'll do like a salad. My favorite kind of salad is like the Chinese style salad with like the cabbage and like the miso dressing or the ginger dressing. So I'll have that. And then for dinners, I've just basically been doing a protein and a vegetable. When I started 3 weeks ago, I was 153. Based on like the BMI and everything with my height, I guess I fall in like the overweight category. I guess according to my BMI, I'm supposed to be like between 120 and 130. But when I graduated college, I was 130 and I was super skinny. And you know, I was cute, but I don't need to be that skinny again. And I know with my lifestyle right now, it's going to be hard to maintain that size. So the first week I dropped 4 pounds, so I dropped down to 149. Last week when I fell off, I had gained 1 pound back, so I was 150. And then when I started this week, I was still 150, so I didn't gain anything back. So yeah, I'm hoping that I can drop another few pounds this week. Yeah. So I did go to the gym today. So I'll probably like insert my gym clips right here. Workout. So my workout is super basic. Like, I'm no fitness guru, so I do a lot of basic stuff, but it works for me. So I normally do anywhere between like 30 to 45 minutes of cardio. I prefer the elliptical. Sometimes I get on the treadmill, but I do prefer the elliptical. Kind of out of breath. And then after I do my cardio, any machine that I get on though for cardio, I do it in intervals, where like, you know, you kind of like hit type style intervals where you'll go up for a while, for however many minutes, and then you'll go back down. I never do it just like on a constant resistance. So yeah, so that's what I did. And then I'll just do like regular standard like body weight exercises. So I'll do like squats, sometimes I'll do lunges, I'll do like core work. Everything is just super basic. And so I just got home from the gym. It is 5:20, so I'm getting ready to get in the shower, and then I'm going to cook my dinner. So I do prep my, so I don't meal prep in a sense where I cook everything at one time and then I store it for the week. I used to do that in the past, but I don't know, after a while it just started to get nasty to me. So like, you can, the first 2 days they're normally okay, but then like by day 3 it's like, this is disgusting and I don't want to eat it. So what I've been doing is I still kind of prep. So I have my vegetables, and what I do is when I buy my meat, like I bought a thing of chicken breast, I separate it into baggies and I'll season it, and then I'll store it in the freezer. And then once I come home, or like in the morning, I'll just take it out and it's already pre-seasoned, it's marinated. All I have to do is cook it and cook my vegetables, and vegetables are really easy and quick and fast to cook anyway. So that's what I've been doing. But tonight I actually bought some salmon because they had some salmon on sale. So tonight I'm making some salmon. I'm probably gonna bake it. It's already thawed out. My family, they're also gonna have salmon, so I'm gonna cook their salmon, but they're gonna have different sides than me. I'm just gonna have salmon and some asparagus. And then for dessert, oh, I have a cantaloupe in there I need to cut too. I think I'll cut that cantaloupe too and just have like some fruit for dessert. Hey guys, so today is Thursday. It's 5 o'clock in the evening. I just got home from the gym. If you see in the clip before, I did lose 2 more pounds, so I am excited about that. So total, I lost about 5 pounds in 3 weeks, which isn't too bad considering the second week I wasn't sticking to my diet. But yeah, I'm actually really tired. I just lost my train of thought. Okay, so usually I try to work out 3 to 4 times a week. On average, I do 3s, but on average I do 3 days, but lately I have been trying to push myself to do 4 days. So I was going like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday because I use the gym at my job, but like I would tire myself out, so by the time Thursday would roll around, I wouldn't want to go, or I would just be like, I would have no energy to really do a good workout. So my goal now is to do like Monday, Tuesday, take Wednesdays off to rest, and then do Thursday, Friday, and then rest Saturday, Sunday. So yeah, we'll see. But I mean, at the end of the day, summer gonna get with everybody I got ready. So I'm not like pressed to drop these 10 pounds. So I have 8 pounds to go technically, and being that I lost 5 pounds in 3 weeks and summer is in 2 weeks, I think that if I stay consistent these next 2 weeks, I will be able to get down to 140. But if I don't, then it's not the end of the world. I don't want any of you guys to feel like it's good to challenge yourself, because that's what I'm doing. Like, I like to challenge myself, I like to push myself, but what I will not do is beat myself up about any setbacks or anything that I kind of fail to achieve. And I encourage other people to do that. You guys all know we're in a age where, like, with Instagram, and if your body don't look like this, then you don't look good, or you know, we have these images constantly thrown at us, and when you don't fall in line with those images, it's very easy to feel bad about yourself. And I even look back at times when I was like my heaviest, and I remember like being in a I remember being in a state of mind where I was just like so unhappy with the way that I looked, and I let that affect like my overall energy and my personality, and it affected me overall. And now when I look back at pictures, like, yeah, I was heavier, but I didn't look that bad. And sometimes we can get so caught up in our own heads. If you have any fitness goals, I don't even recommend looking towards like fitness gurus, because I feel like it's very easy to get discouraged. I feel like they portray these, not to say that what they're saying does not work, but I feel like a lot of what they're saying does not take into account the daily responsibilities of the everyday person. So a lot of things that like I said, they're attainable. Like, if you really want to do it, you can do it. But I feel like a lot of those fitness gurus and stuff that you see online, they work out for a living. Like, their job is to work out. But if my day job was me working out, then yeah, it'd be easy for me to stick to those plans. But it's hard when you have to actually do a job and then find time within that to do this other stuff. And if you have kids and just other responsibilities. So me personally, like, I'll follow fitness gurus because they do give good tips sometimes, but I don't beat myself up if I'm not able to follow their plans to a T. So now I'm just rambling because I'm tired and I gotta do my hair. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Let me know some of your tips and tricks down in the comment section that you use to help motivate you to lose weight, or help motivate you to eat better, or just any tips in general. Let me know, because I'm always open to new tips and tricks. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.